Ever wondered why some days feel like a relentless barrage of stress and anxiety? It's a question that's pertinent to almost every one of us. In our fast-paced, high-pressure world, stress can feel like a constant companion. But what if there were simple, easy-to-follow strategies that could help you reduce the impact of stress and anxiety in your life? Strategies that are rooted in science, yet simple enough to incorporate into your daily routine. Well, that's what we're here to explore today. Firstly, it's essential to understand that stress and anxiety aren't inherently bad. They're natural responses to situations that our brain perceives as threatening. It's when these feelings become chronic or overwhelming that they can start to impact our health and well-being. So, how can you mitigate these feelings? Well, it begins with mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of staying present and focused on the here and now, rather than getting lost in worries about the past or future. It can be as simple as taking a few moments each day to breathe deeply and consciously, focusing on the sensation of your breath filling your lungs and then leaving your body. Next, let's discuss the power of exercise. Regular physical activity boosts your mood, improves your sleep, and reduces anxiety. You don't need to run a marathon or hit the gym for hours. Even a brisk 20-minute walk can make a significant difference. Another strategy is to ensure you're getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can exacerbate feelings of stress and anxiety, creating a vicious cycle. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. If you're struggling to fall asleep, consider implementing a bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Eating a balanced diet is another key factor. Certain foods, like those high in sugar and caffeine, can increase feelings of anxiety. Instead, try to incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts, and foods high in vitamin B, like leafy greens and whole grains, into your diet. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good laugh. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. So, watch a funny movie, share a joke with a friend, or simply find joy in the little things. In short, the key to lowering stress and anxiety is to concentrate on making tiny, doable adjustments to your daily schedule. Remind yourself to laugh, exercise frequently, prioritize getting enough sleep, maintain a balanced diet, and practice mindfulness. Each of these strategies is a piece of the puzzle, and together they can help you navigate life's ups and downs with a bit more ease. Remember, it's okay to have off days. It's okay to feel stressed or anxious sometimes. What matters is that you have the tools and strategies to manage these feelings when they arise. And with these tips, you're well on your way to a calmer, more balanced life. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, take care of yourself and remember to breathe.